Preeti, please take a seat. And how many of you know who this character is? Give us a shout out. Okay. who is this guy?
Supandi!
All right. What is he known for? Dumbness. Okay. All right. By the way, Preeti, he wants to play the first game with you. Okay. Next question. Which comic company owns this IP of Supandi? Tinkle. Fantastic. Amar Chitra Katha. All right. Fabulous. Hello. What are you doing here? No, after this. Okay, Preeti. So, before we open this box, I don't know how many of you actually know this. This is the first time we are actually designing. Yeah. This is the first time we are actually doing a game launch formally in India ever. Alright? And it's the first time a board game launch formally, done. So, and this is the first one today. And we're very, very excited. We have given it away that, the game looks like this, but, it's an extremely fun game. We've had way too much fun playing this. Before we start, Preeti, please take the mic. I am super duper honored to have you here at Tea Talks.
It is an absolute honor and pleasure and joy. Thank you, Falgun.
I mean, you have been traveling all over the country the last 10 days.
That's right.
You still made it. And though there was a lit fest happening somewhere else, you still
I'm
made
here
it.
for Tea Talks.
So, Preeti, please tell everyone who you are, what you do. I think they're all eagerly waiting to hear.
Sure. Hi, everyone. Hello. Please come this side so we can all be together. Please move in. My name is Preeti Vyas, and I'm the president and CEO of Amar Chitra Katha Private Limited. And we are a 57-year-old company. I think everybody, I hope all of you know of ACK and have grown up reading ACK and Tinkle. I am an ACK and Tinkle fan myself. And over the last few years, we've been trying to go transmedia and not just stay in the world of comic books, not be a comic book publishing company, but be a content company and get into wherever people want to consume content in whatever form they want to connect with our characters and Indian culture. So I'm a big board gaming fan myself.
Yeah.
My son and I think the fondest memories of his childhood will be us playing games and fighting and sparring and walking off in a half and all of that.
Right.
So it was one of my wish list when I joined the company to have that we should have a whole range of board games with our IPs, and looking for the right partner, looking for the right way to do it. And then I met Falgun, and the rest, as they say, is history. So big round of applause for Falgun.
Oh, no, actually, Preeti is being extremely modest.
Because without you, it would not have happened, Falgun. That's a fact.
Okay. No, I think it had to happen sometime, and it happened earlier than expected, which is awesome. Preeti is being extremely modest. She has revolutionized how some of the operations at Tinkle go on. I think she decided to invest a lot in new media, right? Animating some of the IP.
Viren is here.
Yeah, we are right here. Oh, okay, fantastic. Is that Chan?
This is Viren
Oh, Viren,
of
hey.
Siku Animation.
Okay, we've been hearing a lot about you. So, I have a test for you.
Okay.
Okay. So these are certain cards from the game. Alright? So you know how Supandi is, right? You give him a task, he'll go do the task, but he might have messed it up in some way. Right?
He
So
ends up reinterpreting it in his own
Exactly.
way, right?
Exactly.
So Supandi is not stupid and he's not dumb.
He's still right.
He's
He's still right.
He's just silly about things, right? And he has a different way of approaching life.
All right.
So yeah, there you go. He's agreeing with me. Yeah.
So, this is one role that you'll be playing in the game is a helper role. And then you have another role which is the distractor. Alright? This person's role is to distract Supandi from completing the task. The brief was like, okay, this is a game for families in India, and that's one. But the toughest one was it has to be based on vocabulary. Okay? No, actually, that wasn't the tough one. The even more tougher one was making a game for 10 people to play and still be engaging, and whether it's 3 people or 10 people playing, it should be equally engaging, right?
That's right. And there's a reason for it. Tinkle has been a route for many people of our generation. And we get a lot of letters from people in their 30s, 40s, 50s saying they went to a non-English medium school and they developed their confidence with English because of Tinkle.
All of us.
Right? The conversational English, the proverbs, and all of that came through Tinkle. So wordplay, and also all of Supandi's humor is word-based, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah.
he'll always get a wrong meaning of some word and go and do something else.
And they're called phonograms.
That's right. That's what Tinkle.
Homograms or phonograms? Homograms.
Homograms.
Homograms, yeah.
Homograms, homophones. So Supandi's humor is based in language. So we needed to have a game which would embody that spirit, right? And at the same time, I think Indian parents are always looking for ways to enhance their children's vocabulary and language. So we thought that is some role that
In a
this
super
game-
fun way.
In a
Yeah.
super fun way. But we were very careful to not write an educational word game because that's the easiest way to turn children away from it.
100%. You just nailed it. Actually, that's one of the very important points I want you designers to remember. A lot of people want to, I can't think of another word, but patafy somebody like a government or somebody like that and end up making, hey, I made a game based on environment, a game based on this, game based on...
Nobody plays it.
Exactly,
Nobody
touches
wants to
it.
play it.
Yeah,
It's
but
boring.
what if you retheme it in a more fun
Yeah.
avatar, right? That's the whole idea. Alright.
How many words do we cover in the game, Falgun?
Oh. Okay. Before I answer that question, so let me be really honest. The first thing I did was go to ChatGPT. Okay. I asked, okay, ChatGPT, give me these words which have similar meaning, blah blah blah. It crashed. It crashed, and we had to hire 3-4 programmers to write a Python code. The amount of math that has gone into developing this game, because you want the card count to be within 120 cards, right? That was the original plan. It has to be within 120 cards. At the same time, you need to have 40 keywords, this many clues. You should not have 2 less clues, otherwise the people can guess it. So that math, even Python code, we took around 1 week or something like that to, create it and develop the game. So there are many games in the library which actually use programs to develop the game, right? One of them is Cryptid. If you can grab that. Sadhana knows the game. So, shall we unveil?
Without further ado, let's do it.
Alright, let's do this. Okay, this is crazy. I've never seen such a big box. Okay, amazing. I go to rip it.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, that looks so cool. This is such a brilliant idea. Let's do this for all games. Oh man, this is like a legit 3D cover. Wow. Seriously. Alright. Oh, one second. Okay. So I can't wait for you guys to try this game out. Catch hold of this little kid. He's taking care of the beach here. Just after this, we've done the unveiling, and I'm so proud that we actually have copies to sell.
Absolutely.
I don't know how you did this. I think this came out like in a week.
Yes,
This-
absolutely.
I think,
Very excited.
This was the fastest approval cycle I have ever seen. You know, in a company.
I think it's a reverse approval cycle. I was pinging him on WhatsApp.
Yeah, she's
How's
like,
it going? How's it
Where's
going?
my game? Where's my game? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm going crazy with this math at the back. So yeah, it was great. I
No,
mean,
I just want to thank you, Falgun. You're doing such an amazing job of taking the whole mission for indie board games in India forward. And this game could not have been possible without you. And I'm very proud because I can tell people it's an original board game. It's an original gameplay. It's not just a me too of something else. It's original gameplay. It's never been done before. There is ticks off all the boxes of what we wanted in terms of fun game, family game, word based, Supandi's characteristics coming out. So
I think many of us here will all agree. We want to make games, but we've never found a vehicle to take it. Take it to the hands of customers. This collaboration, I don't know how it happened. She actually just showed up in her office one day.
I did.
Right? And I mean, at that point of time, we were talking to Tinkle, we were designing for Hasbro, we were designing for another company in UK. This has been such a pleasure working
And
with
it's
you.
just the first one.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah.
So there are many more games, and we need a lot of ideas coming out of you guys. Okay.
Our
So-
vision is to have at least 12 games under Tinkle and 12
Eight?
under Amachupakatha. Right, to have a series of 24 games in due course of time. So thank you so much.